Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how we can activate Commbank card. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. Next, you have to log into your account with client number and your correct password. After this, your account will be logged in. Now you will see many options like home accounts, pay, cards, from which you have to click on cards. Next, click on activate card. Next, Commbank will ask you for your last 4 digits of your card, which you have to enter, and your PIN. You have to re-enter your PIN and confirm PIN. After that, you have to submit. Now your card is activated. This is how you activate your card in Commbank. Hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.